It's New Year's Eve. We're shelling on Sanibel Island near a hotel with my headlamp. This is the first time recording with it, so still learning the best way to get the best view. And I cannot believe so many shells. What'd you say, honey?
What do you think of that headlamp?
I like the headlamp. It's very easy to forget. Ooh, look at that. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to, because it's not even on its like full lighting capability.
Well, you know what it can
but
do.
Then my head might burn off.
Your head will catch on fire like a candle.
My head might catch on fire. I only have it on number 2 setting.
Like a candle.
It can get very warm. So, I mean, I've test ran it walking, but I've not test ran it recording. So, this is an experiment. Sorry if it's like not the best. It's kind of.
What do you mean? It looks good.
No, I just mean like recording, like just finding shells.
I mean,
Just doing great.
it becomes a little difficult.
I cannot. I've never. This is like a shell extravaganza. Just like amazed by how many shells there are. So this is low tide right now. Robert, are you doing your flashiness?
You're just walking nice.
Is that what you were, is that code? Is that code?
Is that me?
It's a fighting conch.
Yeah, that is
I
cool.
want some whelks.
Flashing light.
Alright, that's fine. There's another piece of a sand dollar. Oh, I just like don't know what I'm doing with it. I want to go to that curve and then back. I want to go to like. I don't want to go too far down. Okay. Robert just wants to. Alright, that's fine. I want to go back.
This big one?
Yes, I want
Big one. I want the big one.
Yes, I want the big one. Is that like your Branson voice? I don't understand what you're doing.
No, that's not.
What voice is that? Billy Bob? Sling Blade voice? I've never seen Sling Blade.
I don't know what you know that.
I don't know. I think we've had this discussion before. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. Very nice.
One the big one. I forget what.
Look, honey, look at this whelk.
That's a beautiful whelk.
I just have no desire to watch Sling Blade. I don't know. Oh man, that would have been a nice big one. That's fine.
A little depressing.
I'm not a huge fan of
That revenge in the proper way.
Billy Bob Thornton.
I'm almost killed.
Oh my god. I don't think you should be allowed
I shouldn't be allowed?
to impersonate Sling Blade. I think you should take that off your list
It ain't
of-
going nowhere.
list of.
It's only gonna stay.
Apparently that's it. You what? Is there a crab? It's hard to get it to focus. Okay, I thought, yeah. There's a wormy. What's what? Another. Are you trying to show me something, honey?
That's a. I don't know what it is. It's a big shell though.
I don't know.
See it?
I don't know if I want to get in the water. You're reciting Sling Blade. Now I'm scared.
Oh, for that.
Easy for him to say. I'm the one who wants to get in there. No, I'm not doing it. I refuse. It's not washed up. I don't want it. tricky during the day for me to get into that water. I've watched Jaws. It always happens in the dark. It's just a shell in an ocean with sharks. I've seen Jaws like 20 times. I've seen Jaws, I'm telling you. No, I never said that. I never said that. Do not. Yeah. Don't ruin those. Don't. You get back now. Jaws the Revenge, I believe that's another name of a Jaws movie. We are, trust me, Roberts.
But you in directions.
I will have to admit, I'm not the best person with directions. But when it comes to shell piles, I'm telling you.
Someone has to.
I know. It's your job as my husband to question everything I do. And me to question everything you do. And me to get us lost at least once on vacation. Because it's not a vacation until I get us lost. At least once. Don't go too far ahead of me, dear. He's trying to lose me, I swear. I swear he's trying to lose me. Oh my God. This must be Year of the Cockle. Were you trying to sneak by me? I saw that. You were trying to be sneaky. I think my husband's trying to scare me. I think you were trying to scare me, dear. I think you were.
You're doubling back.
Mm-hmm. Robert, I am telling you 100% that was the shell pile. Don't argue with me anymore. That was the shell. I know. I know these things. Well, you should have used it earlier and you didn't. I really need to quit picking these out. I really need a suitcase just for all the cockles that keep picking up. They're not the prettiest, but they're very versatile. Okay, I'm going, the shell pile, and then I swear we're going back where it's like, but then after that shell pile, I want to double back. That's the
Now
word
you're
of,
doubling back.
the word of the day, double back.
Double back.
Where that sandbar was. Because we've got some good
What are they
shells.
serving?
They're not serving you anything. You are cut off. Cut off, Mr. Margarita Man.
I like margaritas.
Yes, I told you that, but thank you for agreeing with me. Oh.
What's that?
Oh. That was a little heartbreaking. That's a little
It
heartbreaking.
looked good from the outside.
It did. It was a tease.
You better double back.
What?
I don't know. I just thought it was saying.
Okay.
You're looking around for a grizzly bear.
Is the game back on?
The game back on? Which game?
The Blues. Can you believe the Blues have to spend their New Year's Eve playing hockey?
Let's see what it is.
What did you get?
Oh man, lights, McCoy.
Sorry.
Jeez Louise.
What did you two get?
He gave me some
Oh
bananas.
my God, bananas. Nobody wants bananas. Hey, did you see at the airport that guy that had those?
This one?
Yeah,
Oh, well then don't give it.
but I just, it hit you on the
Doesn't
end.
mean anything.
I have so many. Did you see the guy at the airport that had the like 5 totally overripe bananas? I was like, please don't sit next to me.
Is that in a shell?
Thank you, honey. I'm like, please don't sit next to me on the airplane. I don't want to
avoid the red ones?
Smell your overripe bananas.
Were they black? I mean, like brownish? Black?
Like totally overripe.
Why did
Like
you
I
do
would
that?
have thought.
Was he
I
gonna
don't.
make some banana bread?
I don't. He was gonna make banana bread on the airplane.
Because that's the only thing I can think. Most people
It was. This is what I love going to airports and people watching. You just see the most peculiar things at the airport. Okay, I'm gonna disagree with you, honey.
No, you can disagree.
I know my shell
I have
piles.
no
It was
problem.
back there.
But here we go. Look, this is.
That's fine. I'm not
This
arguing
is a
with you.
rehash of earlier.
I'm not. I'm not arguing with you.
You have to sing "Mary Had a Little Lamb" in German if you're wrong.
Oh my God. There's no way I could ever sing "Mary Had a Little Lamb" in German.
All right. Well, you have to do something similar.
All right, I want to turn back.
No, we're not there yet. We're not going to make a pile. Look, we're not even close to
My
close to
husband, he's driving me crazy.